Namaste all viewers. This is Pasha here from Krishna Bros and Jewelers, Hyderabad, Jubilee Road number 36. We are located near check post, near to metro station, in Jubilee Road number 36. So I came with a very nice collection today, jewelry collection. Just have a look. This is a chain. Pearl strings. We have multiple outlets in Hyderabad, so please do visit our stores in Hyderabad. We are in Banjara Hills road number 1 in Taj Krishna Hotel. We are in Novotel HSCC. We are in Charminar also, near Pathargati. We have a lot of collection in Jubilee road number 36. And diamond plain gold collection also we have. In second floor we have pearls collection and silver collection also. So please do visit our website, or you can call directly to our number 92480-36721 on WhatsApp. So I'll show you. Let's start from here. This is a gold chain, 3 lines here with a green on stone and 22 karat gold here. See multiple lines. See, this is very nice piece. In between what we have used is a CZ stones with 22 karat gold. A very nice flower in between. It's a lightweight jewelry. It can be worn by unisex, male and female also. The total weight is coming for 110 grams. So net weight of gold what we have used in here 33 grams here. This is costing you approximately 3,30,000. The entire multiple lines. If you want to increase the more lines also, it can be possible. 3 or 4 lines or 5 lines also can be done. As if now it's a 3 line, it's looking like a 6 layers, multiple. In each line, what we have adjusted here, double layer, 2 line here. Here these are all CZs, zircon stone, cubic zircons in 22 karat gold. A very nice piece. See, this looks very pretty. And it comes in the red color also. Red onyx it will come. And this is a green stone. See how nice it is. Very nice piece. The onyx stones and CZs. And it is in 22 karat 916 hallmark jewelry. And we have multiple earrings also for this one. Matching earrings you will get it with the green stones. See, like this earrings also it will match with this. The pearl combination. This also will match with this. Very pretty earrings. And one more, I got a pearl chain with the uncut diamonds. These are uncut stones. Uncut diamonds. And freshwater pearls. Again, what we have used here, 22 karat gold here. And here on top of this is a peacock design. Here is a small peacock what we have given. So I'll show you. See how nice it is. These are all uncuts. In bottom what we have used is ruby here and emeralds. See how pretty it is. This is also hallmark jewelry. Whatever what we have, totally we have all jewelry in 916 and hallmark. See. In bottom what we have used, the drop shape is a pearls here. Hanging here, small pearls. It's a very nice piece. These are all uncuts. Very nice peacock here. See See how pretty it is. You can see from the back side also. Here what we have given the stamp also hallmark. And very fine quality pearls what we have used in here. These are all pearls, very fine quality. You can see this one. See, I'll show you. These are all freshwater pearls. Lifetime warranty you will get it for this one. And back side is a hook. You can see this one. See how nice it is looking. And for in wedding also you can use it. This looks very pretty, very nice. A lifetime warranty for the pearls what we will give you. So please do visit our website, or you can directly call to our number, WhatsApp number. Our website is www.krishnapearls.com, or you can visit our Instagram also. Please follow our FB Live and Instagram. We have a lot of collections in the store, so please do visit our store in road number 36, Jubilee Hills. I got one more chain here, 5-line plain pearls here, no gold in this one, and very unique piece. See how fine quality it is. It's a very nice piece. See how shiny it is. High quality pearls here. They're all freshwater pearls. It will come in multiple layer. You can go for the 3 lines, 4 lines and 5 lines also. See? See how pretty it is. A very nice piece. The 5 line is costing you approximately 35,000 rupees. So on plain pearls, what we are offering is 20% off. Yeah, see. On Sherwani, it looks very nice. Very pretty collections what we have. If you want to go little bit more bigger size also, it's available. Little bit smaller size also is available in our store. So our executive, if you want to see some more collections, you can just call to our number 924803671. He or she will reply you very soon. And we are giving free shipping all over Pan India. Total Pan India will give you free shipping and 20% off also. Lot more collection I am going to show you. See, this is one more with the coral combination. Coral and pearls. We have already sold out multiple pieces from like this. Now the coral is in the trend. So I am going to show you this also. So please do comment any jewelry if you want to see. Some kind of men's jewelry or women's jewelry. So I can show you in the next video. Multiple jewelry we can show you. Matching earrings also you will get it for this one. See how pretty, how nice it is. In the top of this, what we have used in here, the emerald also. Emerald combination, small emerald stones in the patti, this one. See, these are all emerald stones. On top of this, small flowers are there. In the pearl, and on top of this also flowers are there. Totally made in gold. This is very nice crafting is there. And the coral quality is also very nice quality. Total weight is approximately 75 grams is there. So the gold what we have used in here 32 grams. So approximately it's costing you 3 lakhs rupees. See? And these are all here. What we have used in here, fresh. These are the pearls here, South Sea pearls in between. This one, the bottom one. So please do visit our website, or you can call to directly our number 92480736721. We have multiple outlets in Hyderabad. You can visit any of our store, or you can directly call to our number also. See, I'm going to show one more. This is 3 lines. There is no gold here. This is here is alloy with the plated CZs in between. Plated rings are there. Small rings. The pearls are real pearls. The freshwater real pearls is there. See, this is 3 lines here, multiple lines. This is also very nice piece for the gifting. Is very pretty piece. You can wear with the small functions or small occasions. This comes with the earrings also. And any of earrings, if you have any, it will match with that. Any pearl earrings will match with it. You can go with a single line or double line also. This is a triple line. It looks very pretty. The costing you is 27,000 rupees. This one. Back side is the one like this. See how nice it is. The pearl what we have given here, all graduation pearls. In the middle what we have used in here, you can see the big pearls. And again it is graduating here. On top of this is coming a small pearls. These are all freshwater pearls, real pearls. See how pretty it is. The freshwater natural pearls. All gradings here. And I'll show you matching earrings also with this one. See how pretty it is. Here these are the matching earrings. Danglings. And the stud also can be wear. This is a removable. This will come out and it can be used studs and hanging also, both you can wear it. So including earring, it's costing you 27,000 rupees, and on top of that you are getting 20% off and free shipping all over India. Wherever you want, we are giving free shipping also. So please do visit our website, or you can directly call to our number 9248036721, or you can visit our website www.krishnapalls.com. Please follow our Instagram and Facebook Live. A lot of collection that we have. I'll show you one more bangles also here. See how nice it is. See, these are plated ones, not gold. The silver with plated alloy mix here. So this will match with this chain also. See how pretty it is. You can use something like this. You need to match with the bangles here. Bangle and chain. And this is costing you, this is 2,800 rupees only. You will get in different sizes. 2/4, 2/6, 2/8 is available here. And these are all freshwater pearls in between what we have used. These are natural freshwater pearls. See. This is alloy and silver mix here. And the openable. It's one size is different. You can open and wear. How nice it is. Very pretty piece. So costing you this one is 2,800 rupees, and we are giving 20% off online jewelry. See, different colors also you will get it. I'll show you one more. This is red. This is a red onyx stone. This is an onyx stone here. The red color you will get it in green color also. It's available. Again, same thing. This is the openable stone. Same cost. This is also 2,800 rupees. But if you want to go only for the pearls is also available. Very small pearls here. See how nice it is. This is also available. This is slightly broader one. This looks like a kada type. Even if she can wear it in single hand also. One also she can wear it. See, the kada type. This is costing you 6,500 rupees. See how nice it is. Very small pearls. And all are drilled and stitched. Inside you can see the thread here. These are all thread stitched here. So no chance to come out the pearls. will be fixed like this only. And we are giving lifetime warranty for the pearls. These are all freshwater, natural freshwater pearls, and 20% off on this one. And free shipping we are giving all over India. And one more, I got a very nice earrings. I'll show you with the onyx stones. See this one? How pretty it is. Very lightweight. The lightweight jewelry, for look wise, is looking big, but it's a lightweight jewelry. Again, what we have used in here, CZs and onyx stones and freshwater pearls. See here, the star flower is very nice flower here. See. Total weight is 21 grams, and the gold what we have is 9.9 grams. So approximately is 10 grams what we have used in here in the gold. So costing you 76,000 rupees. The cost of the total earrings is 76,000 only. Very lightweight jewelry. This can be matched with any green stone necklace and pearls also. See how nice it is. So a lot of like this very pretty collections available in road number 36 Jubilee Hills, Krishna Pearls. So please do visit our store for more collections. For live demo, you can please come down to our store in Jubilee Hills, road number 36. One more very nice design. See. This is also freshwater, very high quality pearls what we have used in here. This is also 22 karat gold, 916 hallmark jewelry. These are all freshwater real pearls. And we have gold benefit schemes also. So you can consult our executive, she or he will explain you about the gold jewelry scheme also. So again, one more time I'll show you all jewelry. I'll show it to my cameraman. So just take over all jewelry once again. We have multiple outlets in Hyderabad, so please do visit our stores. We are giving free shipping totally all over India, or you can directly call to our number 924803671. So a lot of variety what we have here in Krishna Pearls and Jewellers. So please keep watching our Facebook and Instagram also. And I need your comments. If you want to see some more any kind of jewelry, you can write in the comments. And whatever jewelry you like it, so please suggest what you want to see next time. Then keep watching our Facebook and live Instagram. So thank you for watching our FB Live and Instagram. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Take care. Namaste.